This is probably going to be one of the most valuable affiliate marketing videos that you will find on YouTube right now. Jay is back with another awesome value-packed video for you guys, and in this video I'm actually super excited to share with you guys the exact blueprint that I've been using over the past year or two to generate my first $10,000 online with affiliate marketing. I've even got the document right here, which I'll give to you later in this video, available for download. And I'm basically going to take you through each and every step, each and every checklist that you need to literally succeed at this. But the problem is, most people will watch this video or they will skip throughout the video, actually missing out very key points, and then they don't even know how to take action, and then they complain down below that no, this doesn't work. But you can't expect to succeed online if you can't even watch a full-on 20-minute training like this. Now, I'm not attacking you, I'm just encouraging you. This is the kind of content and the kind of videos you should be watching online if you really want to build a sustainable business online. And for those of you who don't know who I am, we're going to hop onto my dashboard now of the affiliate tool that I've been using, because you get those people in the comments, oh, if you don't show proof, this doesn't work. So I'm just going to log into my dashboard to show you guys the kind of revenue I've been seeing from the exact affiliate tool that I've been promoting. So you'll see right here, I've been promoting this now probably for just over a year, and this is the kind of revenue I am seeing. So this right here is currently my earnings estimate for the next 30 days, completely passive. Literally, while I sleep, while I eat, while I poop and drink water, this is the income that's going to be coming into my account because of the efforts I put in months and years back. Because this is a membership based product, so it pays passive income. And you'll see if I come down, just to quickly actually refresh to show you that this is not a screenshot. I'll just wait for this to load. And there you can see this is my live dashboard, and you can see my total earnings so far with this tool is just over $11,000, currently $8,699 paid out, and I've got some more over here available in my accounts and some more in pending review here. So this is just to show you the kind of revenue that you can see using this exact blueprint that I've been using, that I'm going to give to you here for free on YouTube. But before we just dive straight into this, there's a couple of steps and checklists that we need to go through in order for this to really be successful. So just for those of you who are new to affiliate marketing basically consists of promoting a product, usually a digital product, with your unique affiliate link that you get with that product, and you will get a commission for each sale that you make through your link, which is a very powerful concept. In today's world, you literally have access to over 10,000 different affiliate products on the internet, probably hundreds of thousands, that you can literally promote as your own products off your mobile device. So the first step that we need to do, and this is to focus on one main product, because what happens is most people spam and promote so many things at once that contradict each other, and they don't focus on one main product. They'll do like one product at a time over the week, and then they will fail, and then they will complain because they are doing it wrong. It's not that affiliate marketing doesn't work, it's just because they're doing it wrong. So this is just a checklist I've written down here for you guys that we need to go through to really boom our revenue way up to the top. And if you guys want to download this $0 to $10,000 affiliate marketing strategy, this blueprint of a document, which is exactly word for word exactly what I did over the past year to earn $10,000 online and now $5,000 a month completely passively. So what I want you to do is subscribe down below with the bell on, leave a like on this video, and comment down below that you've done so, perhaps with your favorite quote. And then what I'll do is I'll reply to that comment with the direct download link to this document, which you can then put on your wall, which you can print, which you can then memorize and check every day, have a look at every day, just to remind yourself of what exactly you need to do today and how you're going to become successful at this. So the first one is, we need to find a product that you're happy to promote with for the next 1 year to 2 years to 3 years to 4 years plus on a consistent basis. And you've got to make sure this is a digital product, because the target audience is not going to then be limited to any country, as anybody can purchase a digital product anywhere in the world. There's no physical product that needs to be shipped. It's a digital product. And then the most crucial part, this is the one that's going to boost our revenue so much, is a membership. We got to choose a membership based product that pays a monthly income passively for lifetime. Because let's say our first month we get 5 clients, the next month we have another 5 clients. That means in total we actually have 10 clients now paying us over every single month passively. Next month could be another 5 clients. It's a total of 15 clients paying us. So that is why a membership-based product is very powerful with affiliate marketing. So we also want to choose a product that is high quality and that solves problems, because what a lot of people do is they choose these random tools online. They go and spam their affiliate links everywhere. They may get 1 or 2 sales, but then the clients that they sign up cancel after a month because there's no support, there's just no trust. The product is obviously a poor quality, so they're canceling and your commissions are going to be way down here. So I'm going to solve that for you in this video. And then the final checklist, we want to choose something. And then the final thing on the checklist is we want to choose something with a free trial. Why we want to do this is because it's a great way to hook in clients or leads into a free trial sign up, which could be like a free first 10 days, which can then turn into a lead. So it's a great way to sign people up in the meantime because it's completely for free. People love free stuff. They will go for the free stuff. And it's a great way to get people to sign up. So I'm actually going to take you to a website called capterra.com/directly, which is basically a database where you can literally find any software in any niche in the world. So for example, you can take accounting based marketing software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. You can literally copy any one of these programs like Pipedrive. You can go then to Google and you can type in Pipedrive affiliate program. Probably 90% here you can see Pipedrive channel partner program. So there we go. You can go and sign up as an affiliate for Pipedrive, which is an accounting marketing software, and you can literally become an affiliate for that. And what's nice about it, it also solves needs. It's a good quality product. So I'm just using Capterra because it's a very good example to find examples of digital and software products to promote as an affiliate. And also why I'm using software is because if you think about it, software is probably one of the biggest and the fastest growing industries in the world right now, because literally the economy backbone is based on software. Think of any retail store, point of sale systems. Those sales wouldn't be happening without software. Think of big businesses, Windows, PCs. It's all foundationed on software. So actions and tasks and processes would not be completed in the business place or the business workplace without the use of software. So there's always going to be a market for this. That is why I encourage software a lot. But what most people will go and do is they will then now take their affiliate link and they will go and post their link, spam it all over YouTube comments, Facebook groups, everywhere where they can to try and get sales. But I'm going to be real with you guys and you need to listen to me carefully. You've got to stop that and stop what you're doing with spamming your affiliate links everywhere, because quite frankly, you're wasting your time. So I suggest pay attention to what I'm going to teach you in this video, because it literally can be life-changing like it was life-changing for me. Which then leads me to step 2, and that is we're going to create a bridge funnel, preferably video-based. So you'll see right here, I've created this landing page called Builderall's $1 deal, all the tools you'll ever need to build your online business. So Builderall is the tool that I've been promoting, which is basically a membership-based product where you can build websites, you can build funnels, you can do automatic email marketing with a whole bunch of automatic Instagram, Facebook responders. It's basically an entire business builder in a box for online entrepreneurs that want to get started. And I've been promoting this as an affiliate. But what's important is you'll actually see on my landing page, my free training page, I have a training video that will teach people how to promote Builderall completely for free and get their first couple of sales online. But the most important part of this is I choose to reveal my face, talk personally to the camera, because a landing page like this, you want to gain as much as trust as possible with your leads or with your potential affiliates that are going to join you with the specific tool. Because building a relationship in a business, building a foundation of trust by revealing your face, giving free resources, free value, free training, literally teaching your leads and affiliates and being literally family to them, it's the best way to build a successful business online. And then secondly, the important thing that you need to keep in mind with a bridge page like this is instead of just having a button that goes directly to the affiliate link, what I do is, and this has played a big factor in turning over leads into actual conversions and sales and also affiliates, is I collect people's names or emails and their first name, so I can retarget them with a series or a sequence of mails that I will give them, send them free training, maybe like a 90% coupon to sign up, different ways to encourage them to sign up and promote various different offers to secure them as a lead and get a sale in my affiliate business. So you can see right here, they cannot continue to the free training unless they enter their email or first name. And all we're doing is we're not telling anybody that we're selling anything. We're literally just providing free training, a free training that is going to change your results forever. I'm not trying to sell anybody anything in this specific training. It's here completely for free, which again builds a big trust factor and plays a big role in converting leads into conversions and actually getting sales. And then what I'll do is this button over here, when they enter their email and first name, you'll see when you actually sign up on Builderall as an affiliate, especially with the premium package, you're going to get what you call on your dashboard a unlock to the VIP funnel club, where Builderall actually gives you coupons, a whole bunch of different sales landing pages that you can use to promote as an affiliate to really get a good lot of leads into your affiliate business. So you'll see the one that I've been actually using is this one over here. Let me just scroll up a bit. The $1 sales page. You'll see if I copy my affiliate link and I actually paste this into my browser, you'll see they basically are giving Builderall to one of my leads for only $1. The premium package costs $69 a month. They're giving it to $1, basically nearly guaranteeing a lead into a sale, because that is a crazy coupon, and it's just there for the first month to convert leads into sales. And then they give you a free training over here, and then you can get complete access to Builderall for just $1. And then I will get a monthly commission of the reoccurring amount that they pay every single month. And I also have support on my Instagram, where I encourage people to DM me if they have questions. So I'm really close with my affiliates and with my leads all the time, because you want to make sure that they stay on their monthly subscription so that you can essentially earn that passive income. And you can see I can then sign up on Builderall for just $1 for the first month, and then thereafter it will be $69.90, which I will get 100% commission of my first month, and then 30% every single month thereafter. But the important part is actually setting up these emails and this automatic emailing campaign, which is actually pretty easy to do. So you will see right here on your Builderall dashboard, they actually have an entire email marketing campaign for you. So if you want to try this program out for free, what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below to my affiliate link where you can join my team if you like. You can message me on Instagram. I will give you free training, everything that you need. I'm literally going to guide you step by step, whether you want to DM me, whether you want to join my private Facebook group below, and you can join my affiliate team, and hopefully I will be in this journey with you as you get your first sales going along with Builderall. But you'll see when I enter my automatic emailing campaign tool with Builderall, just waiting for this to load, a little bit slow. You can see right here, if I come over to my lists, I have a list currently with 146 subscribers. If I actually go into all of my emails, here you can see all the email sequences that I send to this list. So literally what I do is, when somebody enters the email and first name, I will target them with mails every single day for the next 2 months, promoting Builderall and other affiliate products related to Builderall to convert those that perhaps clicked on my free training, signed up, but didn't actually convert into a sale, to actually then convert them back into a sale later on. So this is a great way to turn old leads into sales as well. It's through email marketing. And you'll see right here, if I just go through one of my examples, I'm going to take you to my first email, and you'll see right here when I open up the first email, so you'll see, hey, it's Jay from the Millionaire Mindset channel. I pretty much just give free training in this video, like all my Instagram links where people can reach out to me and if they need help, my 2 channels, and then a free drop servicing training and a free digital marketing course. So this is the first email, and you'll see I've got a whole sequence of emails that send every single day thereafter for nearly up to 2 months, targeting them with Builderall and other affiliate products. So email marketing is a very powerful way to go about affiliate marketing and get a lot of sales online and really move your income from here to up here. So if you actually want training on how to set up this exact email campaign, you'll see when you join my affiliate team with the link down below, you'll actually get free training. If I open this up, literally an exact step-by-step training, probably worth well over $500, completely for free when you join my team with Builderall. you will get exactly what email marketing is: connecting a domain with like your own .com domain, setting up a new account, creating a very professional email, creating a subscriber list, an email sequence, and sending out those emails to all of your subscribers to convert them into sales. So all the training is literally here for you. You've just got to take action. And the best thing to do with something like this is literally Google is your new mom. Do extensive amounts of research to educate yourself on the specific tool that you're promoting so that you can go out and get as many sales as possible. So now that we've got our whole affiliate system and business set up, we obviously got to get out there and promote it. So I'm going to give you probably 6 different ways that I've been doing this. So the first one is I've been using Facebook groups. I actually created my own Facebook group, and I'm going to show you what I did now in a bit to kind of grow this to 19,000 members in just 3 months. And you'll see as soon as I post a Facebook post on this group, I just want to get back to the home page of this group. So what I'll sometimes do is I'll just put on a post. I'll be like, hey guys, I've updated my training on the affiliate program with Builderall. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. And then I obviously enter the emails. They get the free training, and then I target them with mails. But to grow a Facebook group like this, literally what you can do is you can start a Facebook group, go design a simple banner like this on Canva. You can see on my Instagram as well, I'm posting here as well, like little podcast videos to grow a bit of an audience. My Instagram's more for personal value, like I just love to speak on a camera and a mic and just help people out, such as topics like why is the school system outdated? But you can grow an Instagram page, have like a link in a bio, and I mean, my link probably gets well over 10,000 clicks a month. Then I've got my Twitter page where I'm posting every single day. And then I've got influencerclark.com where you can go and pay for shoutouts to do like story swipe ups to your landing pages on other famous Instagram pages. But the best way to go about this, it's more cold selling. And I want to give you what I call a 2020 rule, where a 2080 rule, where you provide 20% value and 80% value, and 20% full on marketing. So you'll see I'm also posting on TikTok every single day. On the mobile version, I actually have a link in my bio. You can't see it on the desktop version. I mean, some videos, this one I posted last night, nearly 1,000 views overnight. I mean, that could easily be multiple signups. And how I'm getting all of this content, and literally the game, and I'm going to give the game to you completely for free. If you can post on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, the same video, you just take like a 30-second clip of the main video, post it on each platform. Over a year, you will see your life change. And how I've just been getting these content ideas, it's not hard work at all. You can go to Udemy. You can literally go get all the free courses in the world on affiliate marketing, educate yourself, learn, recreate your own versions of these courses, post it on YouTube, post it on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram groups, flipping WhatsApp status. And what you can also do is you can come over to YouTube and literally go subscribe to 30 other channels in your niche with the bow on. Go have a look at their videos, have a look at their viral videos, replicate that yourself, remake your own versions of it with your own words. Don't copy word for word because that's just going to ruin your brand. Post it onto YouTube, and you can use a tool called Video Marketing Blaster, and I will actually give you 80% off this tool. I've got a link in the description. I'm also an affiliate for this product. Normal price is $97. If I scroll down, I will give it to you at $27, which you'll get the $70 coupon if you use my affiliate link down below. And literally what this tool does is it's a 3 clicks and you rank number 1 on the number one page of Google and YouTube for specific keywords. So this is a great tool to grow your channel, to get people to your affiliate link and to sign up, and then target those same people with affiliate emails, your email campaign or sequence. And then also you can use a tool called Thumbnail Blaster, which they give you. It is a paid tool. I think it costs about also $20 once off, and you can get all of these thumbnails and you can design them yourselves. High converting thumbnails to get lots of clicks on your videos, lots of clicks on your content that you can use on every single platform. And that is the best way to grow a business online, is focus on your content, focus on your thumbnails, titles, which you can get influence from other people on YouTube, ranking your videos with a tool like Video Marketing Blaster. And if you do this every single day, you will see your life change, and I promise you in a year, you will probably find yourself working from home full time. But like I said, guys, you just have to take action and actually put in the effort. If you really wanted it and you really wanted that success, you would do it and you'd actually put in the effort. But guys, I hope you found this video super valuable. What I'll do is on the screen, I'll leave a link to my 3 best playlists on YouTube on how I make money online, on how I build an online business, and how I work from home full time at 20 years old in South Africa. And I'm literally excited to share all of this content for you guys on my channel completely for free. And also I'll leave a link to the builder rule down below so you can get started with this strategy. But choose one of the playlists on the screen and I'll see you there.